In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF document directly in Gemini AI, effectively and effortlessly. Whether you're crafting a proposal or just organizing your ideas, turning them into professional-looking PDFs is now a breeze. Let's dive right into it. To start the process, the first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and go to Google. If you're already familiar with Gemini AI, you'll know this is the best starting point. Once you've reached the Google homepage, type Google Gemini into the search bar. This search will bring up the official website for Gemini AI as one of the top results. Go ahead and click on that link to open the Gemini AI homepage. Once you're on the Gemini AI website, it's time to put the software to work. Here, you'll need to create a prompt. For this example, let's generate a mock-up proposal document for a landscaping service. This document will include all the essential details such as the company name, list of services, pricing, and a whole lot more. What's interesting is that Gemini can even fill in fake company and contact details for you, which makes it both a creative and time-saving tool. After you've crafted your prompt, the next thing to do is head over to the Tools section of the Gemini interface. This section offers a variety of options to enhance and modify your document. But for our purposes, you'll want to select Canvas. The Canvas tool is particularly handy as it allows you to arrange and structure your document exactly how you want it. With your document laid out in Canvas, you're almost done. Now, locate the Submit button and click it. This action will finalize your changes and prepare the document for export. As we approach the final steps, it's time to convert the document into a PDF. Look for the small print button. This is where the magic happens. When you click it, a print dialog box will appear. In this dialog, you will see a section labeled Destination. Click on this and choose the option Save as PDF. This selection essentially tells the Gemini AI to save your beautifully crafted proposal document into a PDF format that is easy to share, store, or print later. Once you've selected Save as PDF, simply confirm and let the process complete. And there it is, a polished PDF document. You've now successfully used Gemini AI to create a PDF document directly and effectively. With these steps, you can quickly and efficiently transform your digital creations into professional-grade documents. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating!